CPU cooler is a device that is designed to dissipate heat generated by the CPU to keep its temperature below the design limit. There are many products available to choose CPU coolers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best CPU coolers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. H170i Elite Coral Liquid CPU Cooler. Corsair is one of the most popular PC accessories brands on the market right now, and a lot of custom PC build enthusiasts prefer components made by Corsair, especially for a gaming PC build. Therefore, we are choosing a Corsair CPU cooler or the next position. This is also a pretty powerful option on the market right now, considering it comes with a 420 mm radiator for enhanced cooling levels. The radiator consists of three 130 mm fans operating at about 28 RPM to offer the best cooling performance. So if you are picking up a CPU cooler for an overclocked 13th Gen Intel CPU, this is the perfect choice for a liquid CPU cooler. Even with such high specifications, this CPU cooler offers a noise rating of 10 dB, making it the most silent option on our list. All three fans on this radiator are RGB fans controlled by the Corsair IQ software. With that, you can easily sync the RGB illumination of the fan with other components of your system and create a beautiful illumination with animation. This option is also compatible with all the latest Intel and AMD CPUs without any problem. Number 2. MSI MAG Coral Liquid 360RV2AO RB CPU Liquid Cooler. MSI is also a pretty famous brand when it comes to PC accessories, especially the ones that are aimed for a gaming PC build. You will also find GPUs, CUs, cabinets, and many other MSI components with a gaming theme. This is also a triple fan liquid cooler with a 360 mm radiator and three 120 fans. Both the radiator and the CPU cooling unity come with an incredible design that makes it an ideal choice for a gaming PC build. On top of that, the radiator of the CPU cooler also has RGB fans for extra aesthetic points. You also get to rotate the water within a 270-degree water block to make the cooler adjust according to your motherboard orientation. The split-flow radiator with the integrated pump on this CPU cooler is also made of aluminum, which offers superior durability and corrosion resistance. Plus, the 400 mm water cooling tubes of these CPU coolers ensure evaporation-proof performance with triple-layered plastic concealing. Number 3. Arctic Liquid Freezer Roman 240 Multi-Compatible All-in-One CPU AO Water Cooler. If you have ever looked around for a thermal paste replacement for your CPU cooler, you must have come across a couple of options from the brand Arctic. Apart from that, Arctic also makes highly efficient CPU coolers that are also budget-friendly. This is also an AO CPU cooler that comes with not only two dedicated cooling fans on the radiator, but also a compact fan on the CPU block as well for even faster heat dissipation. The additional 40 mm VRM manages to keep the CPU nearly 15 C lower than other liquid CPU coolers. Another great thing about the CPU cooler is its integrated sleeved tubing. Therefore, the cooler does not cause any problems with cable management, and it also reduces the possibility of fluid leakage. With smart load management, the CPU cooler can automatically operate at lower power with nearly 80% lower power consumption. Despite being the cheaper option, it still has 6 years of warranty, which you get with premium options. Number 4. Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4 250 WTDP CPU Cooler. Now that you are familiar with all liquid CPU coolers on the market, let us talk about what you can get for an air CPU cooler right now. In a lot of cases, a liquid cooler is not a feasible choice due to compact space. For such uses, air coolers like the one made to Be Quiet will be perfect. The Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4 is the first air cooler that we have chosen for this list of the best CPU coolers that you can pair with a high-performance Intel 13th Gen CPU right now. Even though this is an air cooler, it has a TDP rating of 250 watts, and it works below a noise rating of 24.3 dB, which is quite low for an air cooler. You can use this cooler with Intel LGA 12EN700, 1EN700, 2066, 1A151, and many other socket types, as well as the M5 and M4 AMD sockets. The CPU cooler consists of two virtually silent PWM fans which manage to keep uniform heat dissipation from the CPU without excessive noise. And to further improve the heat transfer rate, the heatsink of the CPU cooler is connected to the CPU block via 7 high-performance copper heat pipes. The fins of the heatsink are also highly optimized to ensure better airflow, which increases the performance of the CPU. Number 5. Noctua NHD15 Chromax Black. The Noctua NHD15 Chromax Black is our final choice for the best CPU cooler that you can use with an Intel 13th Gen CPU right now. This is a premium range air cooler that will allow you to have enhanced cooling performance on your system, without needing additional power requirement or installation space, which is necessary for an AO cooler. This CPU cooler comes with an extra-wide 140mm dual-tower heatsink design that allows you to install 2 Noctua fans for ultimate cooling performance. The heat sink also consists of 6 heat pipes, which manage to take the cooling performance of this unit on par with that of the budget-range AO liquid CPU coolers. The CPU cooler also comes with the high-end NTH1 thermal paste from Noctua and the Secufirm 2 mounting system for quick and secure CPU cooler installation. But even with these features, the best feature of the Noctua NHD15 Chromax Black is its 19.2 dB noise rating, which is the least you are going to get on an Air CPU cooler right now. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.